morning all of you. So once again I will continue same chapter, that is 8th lesson, matrices. So in previous class I explained about operation on matrices. First operation, addition of two matrices, and another one, subtraction of two matrices. So first one, addition of two matrices. I am going to repeat what is the rule. If you both A and B matrices having the same order, that is very important, whatever it may be, either rectangular matrix or square matrix, whatever it may be, both matrices having the same order, that is very important. Then we can say that these matrices are computable for addition or conformable for addition. Then it is denoted by, that is A plus B, and very important, the obtained matrix is of the order, and we should add by adding corresponding elements. So after addition, what you will get, that is obtained matrix is of the order either A or B. The conclusion is matrices having the same order, and we should add the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements means first matrix, first row, first column element, and second matrix, first row, first column elements we should add. So first row, first column elements, next matrix, first row, first column elements are called as corresponding elements. Then after addition, what you will get? The obtained matrix is of the order either A or B. Next again same rule for subtraction also. Next, very important operation. So next operation, note down. Next operation, multiplication of a matrix. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Scalar or number, anyone. So next operation, so multiplication of a matrix by scalar. So addition over, subtraction over. Now third operation, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. So here consider example. So A is equal to 2, 3, minus 5, 7, whatever it may be, order, don't think about order, 2 cross 2. Next, find 5A. Yes, A means matrix A. 5 means yes, a scalar or a number. That's very simple. So 5A is equal to 5. A means matrix 2, 3, minus 5, 7. Next, 5A is equal to, you should multiply all the elements by 5. All the elements, that is 2 into 5, comma, 3 into 5, comma, minus 5 into 5, comma. Next, 7 into 5. So this is equal to 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, minus 5 into 5, minus 25, 7 into 5, so 35. So this is the value of 5A. Suppose if you are finding 3A, yes, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, minus 5 into 3, minus 15, so 3 into 7, 21. So very important thing is multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Scalar means any number, whatever it may be, either negative or positive. Okay, so in general, suppose if A is any matrix is of the order, then K is any number. K is any number, then the matrix KA. I repeat, A is any matrix, K is a number or scalar, then the matrix KA is obtained by multiplying each element of the matrix, that is each element of A by K. So this is general rule. If A is any matrix, any order, then K is a number. Next, the matrix KA is obtained by multiplying each element of A by K. So then the matrix, that is KA means any number or scalar. So this is the definition. So very simple. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar means, so they will give one matrix, and multiplication of a scalar means they will give any number. So we should multiply all the elements of the matrix by the given number. So this is multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Okay na? Right. Please note down the example given in your textbook. Okay na? Next, any doubts means I will clarify all your doubts in class. Now we are going to discuss about some important rules. Let's note down points to remember. Points to remember are note. So what you have discussed? Yes, addition of matrices, then subtraction of matrices, then just now multiplication of a matrix by a scalar or a number. So first note, very important note, a plus b is equal to b plus a. So as you know already, so this is one of the very important property, is called as commutative property. This property is known as commutative property or law. Addition of two matrices, A and B are the matrices of the same order. So A plus B is same as B plus A. This property is known as commutative property, which means that addition of matrices is commutative. Addition of matrices is commutative. So second property, A minus B, very important, not equal to B minus A. So again, as you know, A and B are the two matrices of the same order. That is very important. Here also, A and B matrices having the same order, then only I told you addition is possible, subtraction is possible. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. So this property is known as commutative property. Next, A minus B not equal to B minus A, which means that subtraction of matrices is not commutative. Now property number 3, A plus B plus C. So here you have three matrices, again same order, A, B, C are the three matrices, same order. Then A plus B plus C. So this property is known as commutative property. Commutative property. Yes. Addition of matrices is not commutative, associative property. Associative property. First one commutative. Associative property. So addition of matrices is commutative, but subtraction is not commutative. Third one, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This property is known as associative property. So here A, B, C are the matrices of the same order. Here also A and B same order. Okay na? So these are very important points. Next, one more point number 4. So A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. So A means any matrix, any order. Oh, very important, in previous class I told you, that is null matrix. Null matrix. So A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. So where 0 is called null matrix. Null matrix is of the order as that of A. If A is 2 cross 2, then null matrix is also called 0 matrix 2 cross 2. If A is 3 cross 2, then 0 matrix, that is 3 cross 2. So this is also one of the very important property. Yes, very important properties. I repeat, A plus B is equal to B plus A, commutative property. So addition of matrices is commutative. A minus B not equal to B minus A, so which means that subtraction is not commutative. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, so therefore again addition of matrices is associative. This property is known as associative property. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A, which means that so 0 is called is a null matrix, is of the order is as same that of A. If A is 2 cross 2, so this is also 2 cross 2. So these are the very important note or points to remember while you are solving the question. Okay na? Next we shall move the next exercise on this. So what you have discussed, okay na, right? So 8.2 I have already completed this lesson for 10th B students, so no problem, just once again you go through it. Next 8.2 question number 1. So all these questions what I have discussed one by one: addition, subtraction and multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Yes, here is the question number 1. So first one, given that m is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2. Next, n is equal to 2, 0, minus 1, 2. The question is find m plus 2n. That's very simple. Before going to find, first to find the value of 2n. 2n means multiplication of a matrix by scalar. So you have to multiply all the elements of the matrix n by 2. So which implies our solution, yes, m plus 2n. m plus 2n is equal to m 2, 0, 1, 2 plus 2 into matrix n. So 2, 0, minus 1, 2. Thus this is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2 as it is, plus multiply all the elements of matrix n by 2, that is multiplication of a matrix by scalar or number. 2 2 is 4, I will write direct answers. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. 2 into 2, 4. Next, before going to add, I told you, very important, order same. This is also 2 cross 2, so 2 cross 2. Now, the procedure is corresponding elements. So 2 here 4, so 2 plus 4. Next question onwards, I will write direct answer. Next, corresponding elements, I will mark here 0, 0, so 0 plus 0. Next, corresponding elements 1 here, correct? Dot, dot. So 1 plus or minus 2. If you are it, write one more step, minus 2. Next, 2 here, 4. So 2 plus 4. So these marks represents corresponding elements. Now, that's 2 plus 4, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 minus 2, write one more step, no problem. 2 plus 4, 6. So final answer is 6, 0. 1 minus 2, don't add, simplify. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, 6. I told you many times, the obtained matrix is of the order either m or n. So m 2 cross 2, so n 2 cross 2. So this is also 2 cross 2. So this is the question number 1. Okay na? Yes, any doubt? Okay, multiply this one by 2 and finally you should simplify. The next question, if a is equal to 2, 0, minus 3, 1 and b is equal to 0, 1, minus 2, 3, find 2a minus 3b. Yes, solution. Yes, 2a minus 3b. So 2a minus 3b is equal to 2 into plus 2, 0, minus 3, 1. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar minus 3 into b 0, 1, minus 2, 3. So therefore 2a minus 3b is equal to plus 2 2 is 4, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 2 into 1, 2, and very careful, minus, you should multiply by only 3, don't multiply by minus 3, minus as it is, multiply by only 3, that is 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 3 into 3, 9. I repeat once again, multiply by only 3. Don't multiply by minus 3. So therefore, 2a minus 3b is equal to s. Adding corresponding terms. 4 minus 0, that is 4. 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Minus 6, minus of minus 6. So minus 6, minus of minus 6. So minus 6 plus 6. Let's cancel. So 0. 0. 2 minus 9. So 2 minus 9. So this is equal to minus 7. So this is the final answer. 4 minus 3, 0 minus 7. So next question. If A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, find the value of 3A plus 4B. As solution, 3A plus 4B is equal to 3 into matrix A, 1, 4, 2, 3 plus 4 into 1, 2, 3, 1. So this is equal to 3 into 1, 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, plus 4 into 1, 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 into 1, 4. So this is equal to adding corresponding elements. 3 plus 4, 7, 12 plus 8, 20, 6 plus 12, 18, 9 plus 4, so 30. So what is the order of this one? This is same as either A or B. Similarly here also. 2 cross 2, either A or B. Okay na? So this is the procedure. Problems are very simple. Fourth one. A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3. B is equal to minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. Find the value of 2A plus B. First solution. Thus, 2A plus B is equal to 2 into matrix A, 1, 4, 2, 3 plus B minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. So this is equal to 2 into 1, 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, plus minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, corresponding elements, 2, plus of minus 4, 8, plus of minus 1, 4, plus of minus 3, 6, plus of minus 2. So this is equal to 2 plus of minus 4. 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2. Next, 8 plus of minus 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 4 plus of minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 plus of minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Yes, this is the value of 2A plus B. Minus 2, 7, 1, 4. So this is first answer. Now, second one. Yes, the given condition here, C plus B is equal to null matrix, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. By using this relation, find the value of C or find the matrix C. First, find the value of C from this. C is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. You take B this side, it will become minus B. So which implies C is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, minus, replace B matrix, minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. So which implies C is equal to 0, minus of minus, minus into minus, plus 4, corresponding elements, 0, minus of minus 1, plus 1, 0, minus of minus 3 plus 3, 0, minus of minus 2 plus 2. Therefore, final answer C is equal to 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 2, 2. So this is the matrix C. Okay, now? 1, 2, minus 2, 3. B is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. C is equal to 0, 3, 2, minus 1. Find the value of A plus 2B minus 3C. That's solution. A plus 2B minus 3C is equal to A 1, 2, minus 2, 3 plus 2 into B minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3 into C value 0, 3, 2, minus 1. So this is equal to yes, 1, 2, minus 2, 3 plus multiply by 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, 2, 2 is 4, minus 0, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So therefore, A plus 2B minus 3C is equal to as corresponding elements 1 plus of minus 4 minus 0, 1 plus of minus 4, 1 minus 4 minus 0. Next 2 plus of minus 2, so 2 minus 2 minus 9. Next minus 2 plus 2 minus 6. Next 3 corresponding elements plus 4 minus of minus 3 minus of minus 3 plus 3. So final answer, therefore A plus 2B minus 3C is equal to 1 minus 4, that is minus 3, plus 2 minus 2 gets cancels, minus 9, plus 2 minus 2 gets cancels, minus 6, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, so 10. So this is the final answer. Okay? Right. So here is the next question, sixth one. If A is equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 1. Find the matrix X if two relations are there. Number 1, 3A plus X is equal to B. Second one, X minus 3B is equal to 2A. So here X is also matrix. Find the matrix they given here. What about this order? So the order of X is either A or B, that is A 2 cross 2, B is also 2 cross 2. Therefore, the order of the matrix X is also 2 cross 2. Yes. Now you see the procedure. So, solution. First one. So, 3A plus X is equal to B. First, find the value of X from this. So, X is equal to B minus 3A. That's very important. Don't write 3A minus B, that is wrong. So, 3A minus B is equal to minus X. But what we need? X. So X is equal to B minus 3A. So this implies, so X is equal to replace B 1, 2, minus 1, 1 minus 3 into A value 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Yes. Therefore, R implies X is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 1. Again multiplication of a matrix by scalar. So 3 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6. Therefore, X is equal to, last step, 1 minus 0, corresponding elements, 2 minus of minus 3, 2 plus 3, minus 1, corresponding elements, minus 3, comma, 1, minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 1 minus 0, 1, 2 plus 3, 5, minus 1 minus 3, minus 4, 1 minus 6, minus 5. So this is the final answer. Yes, what is the order of this one? 2 cross 2. 1, 5, minus 4, minus 5. Next, second one. Yes, second relation, x minus 3b is equal to 2a. So which implies, so x is equal to 2a. Let's take this one here, it will become plus 3b. Yes, this is very important. Therefore, x is equal to 2 into a, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, plus 3 into matrix B, 1, 2, minus 1, 1. So therefore, x is equal to 2 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into 1, 3. And therefore, x is equal to, as corresponding elements, 0 plus 3, that is 3, minus 2 plus 6, already have got an idea, minus 2 plus 6, minus 2 plus 6, that is plus 4, 2 plus of minus 3, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, 4 plus 3, that is 7. What is the order of this one? 2 cross 2, either A or B. So this is the final answer.